What's up, Soul Squad? Welcome back to my kitchen. Okay, you know it's getting hot, but sometimes you still want a good comfort food. You want a hearty food. You want to put it in, forget about it, come back, it's ready, it's done. So I am doing a one-pot crock pot meal for Sunday, but you're getting this on Monday. And it's simple, it's easy, it's one pot. Put it in, forget about it. No heat in your house, no oven on, no nothing. Unless you make some biscuits and cornbread, like I'm making cornbread to go with this. So come on in my crock pot. Let me tell you what I got here. Okay, guys, so in my crock pot, I had some red potatoes diced. I had some skinny fine string beans. I had some onions, and I had some garlic powder. Now, not garlic powder, minced garlic. And to this, I'm gonna add some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Before we do that, I had some soy sauce, about 3/4 cup of soy sauce, low sodium, and I'm gonna put in here about 2 tablespoons. That's 1, 2. About 2 tablespoons of honey. Let me see if I can stir it up with this. Yes, I'm going to stir it up with this. And this is going to be my liquid. You don't have to add no water or anything. Look at that. Look at that honey. I ain't stirred up right, guys. I should have got a better spoon, but look at the honey going in. Make sure you get all that honey out. Guys, stir it up with a better spoon than I did. And then you just want to coat your veggies with this. This is going to be your, because the water, you don't need to add any broth, any water, anything. Because that soy sauce and honey going to give it its flavor. The chicken's going to make the water. And this is going to be cooking on low for a couple of hours. I'm going to let you know what the hours are. And you can add any vegetables you want. Green peppers, onions, anything. Red peppers. But I had string beans, potatoes. And I had some more string beans. I'm going to add a bit more string beans to this. And at this point, I'm just going to go in, lay in my chicken. These are boneless, skinless chicken thighs, guys. And they're going to sit right on top of these vegetables. These vegetables. They're going to sit just like this. I have 2 packs, so I have a lot. Got a big family. Got to make sure everybody, you can use chicken breast with this, anything. And this is going to sit here just like this. And I'm going to take some onion powder and lift some of my chicken up. I think this garlic powder. And I'm going to take some onion powder. Move some of this chicken around. My hands, your kitchen, do it your way. And that's it. Let me try to get some more of this honey out of here. And it smells so good. I'm not even going to stir it up at this point. That's it. I'm going to put the top. I think I'm losing my mic. I'm going to put the top on it. Have it on low. And let it cook for like maybe 3 to 4 hours. So everything just comes together. Guys, we'll be back when it's done. Okay, guys. It's been like maybe 4 hours. I'm going to show you guys this right here. Look at that. And outside I didn't put any water because the stuff made all the sauce and stuff. So at this point, when you get home, this is all flavor. You want to thicken this sauce. Again, you could use chicken breast in this. This is really done. So after 4 hours, I had mine on high. When you're cooking and leaving your house in the morning, you can put it on slow, on slow, on low. So at this point, I made my slurry, which is this my cornstarch and water mixture. So when you get home, you can make your slurry, put it in there, let it get thick. By the time you and the kids change your clothes and you come downstairs, this will be nice and thick. I'll let this go for about maybe 10 minutes with this slurry in here, and we'll be back. The video will be over. Guys, I put my cornbread in the oven. That look wonderful. Quick one-pot meal while you at work. Feed your family. Go to bed. We'll be back. Okay, guys, we're back. We're ready to wrap this video up because it's hot in this house, okay? It's just hot outside. Okay, so if you're working, again, this is going to take, you can put this on slow. I'm at home I cooked this on high, and I did it only for a couple of hours. Look, come in, Fufu. So this is my 1-pot meal, guys. Look how the sauce got thick. And basically what you're going to do, I don't know if this is the best spoon, but you're going to plate it. You're going to make it with some biscuits, your favorite cornbread, some biscuits. You got your string beans. You got your potatoes, your favorite chicken. You could use chicken breasts. And it's a one-stop meal. Whew. Try and get some string beans in here for you guys. All this meat. Whoever gonna do the mukbang, you guys gonna see it. The potatoes, the string beans, and that's it. That's all to it. You can have this on while you're working, guys. Your family will come home to good flavors, good love. It's out your way. A 1-pot crock pot meal. Until next video, guys, like, share, subscribe. Come over, watch somebody do it on Tuesday on the mukbang. I need to clean that up, don't I? It's hot. But there it is. A couple of hours. Recipe going to be in the description below. You can't beat it. Your favorite chicken. I like chicken thighs. You may like chicken breasts. Until next time.